Is tea ceremony something that you've always wanted to learn? Then this is your opportunity. If you embark on this journey with me, then in the Tea Ceremony 101 course, I will teach you how to do tea ceremony from start to finish. I will teach you one whole basic service of tea ceremony, in which you will learn how to cleanse the utensils, how to make a delicious bowl of tea, how to wrap up again, and how to host such an occasion and make it comfortable and agreeable for your guests. You will not only learn how to do tea ceremony, but I will also explain why we do the things that we do. And for this, I will use the tray service. You will learn tea ceremony at a table, and we will go through all the basics of the foldings, the different steps, the different stages to observe, and I will, as we go, explain everything so that you have a sound understanding of the things that you do and why you do them. So if tea ceremony is something that you've wanted to always try learning, learn more about, or really want to engage in fully yourself, then this is your opportunity. I am Tyas Sosen. I'm a certified instructor in the Enshu tradition of tea ceremony. I have been learning tea ceremony for 14 years in Japan. Of those 14 years, I've been teaching for 7 to 8 years, and I have been teaching tea ceremony also online for 4 to 5 years now. And in those online interactions, I have learned how to teach students remotely, because it's a completely different thing from when you get to teach someone here physically with you. One of the big hurdles is, of course, also the utensils. For tea ceremony, you need a lot of objects, and to be able to practice, you need to acquire them as well. So I've chosen to go with the tray service for this very basic, very first course, so that you can start learning the tea ceremony, get a lot of knowledge and understanding about it, become able to do a basic service of tea, but you can do that with the least objects required. And if this is something that you would love to do, I would be very happy to be your teacher. Let's embark on this journey together. I hope to see you on the inside.